Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix USPS not answering phone. So if the customer representative or the customer service is not answering your phone, then you need to simply follow the steps on in the video to fix it. So if they are not answering, you need to simply open USPS mobile app and you will see the scroll down a bit and you will see the option of contact us. So click on it, so it will redirect you to the page, and from here you need to click on the option of email us, or you may go on customer care center and you may call on this number which is given on the customer care page. So their hours of operation are Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Eastern time, and Saturday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern time. So if you are willing to get your phone answer, then call them between these hours so that they will pick up the phone. And if they are not still picking up the phone, then click on the option of email us and you may simply email them the problem which you are facing, and you may simply ask them to pick up their phone or get you a call back so that you may solve the problem which you are trying to face, or you may also know the answer for the cause you are trying to call a phone. So that's it. And if you're trying to email, you'll also see what's the reason for your inquiry and all. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.